toothpaste.
Like I have to take them out for one day and put them in.
It's probably
and then
toothpaste.
increase the time between.
Why is there just a
But I don't do that.
Because you know when like, oh, guy gets right here.
Guys, let's get on this so we get it done. Not cut it close.
I'm very bad at number 1.
It's like sign or something.
I
So
gave him
horrible.
a Dr. Zevia, and that was it. And he, like, took it. Like he looked at it, and, like, I could see in his eyes, he was like, oh, that's all I get. And then he walked away.
Alright. What contrasting color do we want?
No,
Let's,
blue.
let's
Always
try
purple
a
with hope.
dark orange.
We'll start with
No.
purple and we'll go blue or something.
We should do,
Why is everyone over there so
we should
negative?
do green for Christmas.
I like that idea a lot better. That's actually
We'll rotate. Hope was quickest on the draw.
Yeah, well, she just, it's like she doesn't even think about it. She just says the
I
first
know.
color that comes to her mind.
No, it's
She shouldn't have a
yeah.
choice. What?
Yeah.
And she's like wearing purple glasses and a hoodie also.
She loves her school.
Like she hears those first 2 words.
And her
what
notebook,
color,
her
and
binder
she's
is
got it like
purple.
ready.
I've got it revamped already.
Okay, you guys know what I mean by number 1? SOHCAHTOA, right? Sine of the angle equals opposite. Oh, right button. Cosine of the angle equals tangent of the angle equals. Alright. And then if you can just remember SOHCAHTOA and then what goes with sine. What's the reciprocal for sine?
Yes.
Cosecant.
Yep.
Then you just flip it upside down. What goes with cosecant? Or cosine, I mean? Secant. Cotangent.
Why did you say that? You know what? I'm not going at it.
Whoa. Yeah. But.
Okay. This is the other formula. Ooh, I forgot about this. Do I want to put number 3 on the test?
No. We have a bunch of tests this week.
Okay, I'll take it off.
Yeah! Mr. Jordan, you should get like. What were you saying?
It's like 3 seconds.
You should get a buzz cut.
You should get a buzz cut.
No. I'd try.
That's like Mr. Frederick.
Yeah.
I guess Mr. Frederick.
That's
was
not a
like
good
you.
thing.
Mr.
Mr.
Frederick
Frederick
was
wants
like
you.
you. Yeah.
Like every time I say Mr. Jordan, like, thank you. Whenever we call him.
Yeah, the freshmen always call me Mr. Predator. Always. Okay, what converts radians or degrees to radians? Yeah, you have to get rid of the degrees, you have to divide them away, and then to put in the radians, you have to multiply it in. So, and then radians to degrees is the opposite.
Are you sure?
I love Donald Trump.
Are you that you want to have this tomorrow? Are you sure this is going to post?
Pretty sure.
Bro, I hate this.
Because last time I took the last like 3 times.
I failed the last 3 times.
Yeah.
Something like that. Like it's like only the review. It's like.
Oh, the last 3 reviews. Thought, well, it's recording now. My computer still has lots of memory space, so that's like 2 of the pitfalls that I've avoided so far. Okay, actually, even though I'm not going to do number 3, I do want to look at it. I can't remember if I've ever, how much I've done with this. This goes back to geometry. but you also do it in trick. Does anybody remember the ratio of the sides of a 30, 60, 90? 1, 2, square root of 3. So if this was like 5, this would be 10, and this would be 5 square root of 3. You guys remember that? And on a 45, 45, 90, the legs are the same, and the hypotenuse is square root of 2 times bigger. That was number 3.
That's not too bad.
So we're not doing that?
Well, I didn't review it this chapter, so
Don't seem too important.
they kind of made these problems before they were like nice calculators.
Do we have to
So
memorize this?
I'm gonna say no. Yeah. Yep.
I sure will,
Issa, okay, when you took a bow at the end of the play, just Friday.
What about
Do you know what your face looked like?
No. No, we only did it once. I didn't know what we were doing.
No.
Like we only
No, the
practiced
first
about
time.
once.
The first time you came out to take a bow.
Yeah, the first
You're
time.
like this.
we only practiced once before.
Yeah, like we've only practiced about once. I didn't know what I was doing.
Everybody else was smiling and like, and
Oh
you're like,
yeah, I heard in the first hour, I heard Anaya talking really loud. What'd she say?
Yeah, I heard that too.
Yeah.
we talked.
Like she said, the play. And we got
And
quiet.
she's like, on Friday.
The play.
And I heard Mr. Drew responding to her.
Anyway.
Did you like it though?
Yeah.
No, it was bad.
And Friday was the worst day.
Like her hair was never green. Why did they say her hair was green?
Because she was,
It's like,
she put stuff in her hair.
Yeah, but then how did it grow back to the next scene?
That was weird.
Because it was a time
Yeah. I have no clue. Like I have
Uh,
makes sense.
No.
Obviously, like a year or two had passed.
like they need to
I know, but
tell us
I didn't
that.
really
'Cause
know
I
until
don't
she was
know.
like, oh,
they
you
go
know,
from like her
They
being
know.
about it and then it's
They didn't know.
like,
She
she
didn't know.
Yeah, and why is she like
It's Winston College.
Yes.
and they don't have
It's like the girl's life. It's not like
Yeah.
2 weeks.
No, it's a high school.
Anyway.
It's like
So she was in middle school
about,
at Avenue.
yeah.
And then she went to
Wait,
Queens High School.
how did she teleport to high school?
Wait, Queens?
I
I
don't know.
don't know the college.
I have no idea what's going on.
And then you guys were studying for the entrance exams
Yeah.
to Queens, or it was you were saying this
They didn't give enough time to develop Matthew and Marilla's relationship with her, you know? Because like 1 second they're like, oh, just take this girl to our house, and then they're best friends.
And they're like,
Like I hated that. I hate interviews.
No, I think
Like that's probably the worst play I've ever been in ever.
Yeah, no, that one.
I hated
That
that.
was one of the worst ones.
No.
I thought they said the play was really good.
I'm really going back to Army one.
Where did the,
Oh,
I do
good
kind
job,
of
where did that go?
Well, they did.
I thought it was good at
They did
first.
But I don't
they did a
know.
good job in that play.
But if I really like looking into it,
I thought Jaden's death was the best part.
It wasn't
of the play.
bad.
That was by far the best.
Where'd
you go?
It would not be.
Did you say you like Jaden's fall?
Yeah, that was the best part of the play by far.
He said on Friday he did hurt himself a little bit.
Yeah, it was very loud. That
That means no.
He hit the ground hard.
Okay, but imagine everyone dressed up like birds singing.
or
That
like
would
a
be
movie all over.
You just want to see like whoever in blue.
No, I want to see
You wanna be
Linda.
Linda. You wanna be
No,
Linda.
I don't have boobs for Linda.
They're very loud.
Did you guys finish Rio on Saturday?
Yeah, we did.
Was it good?
Obviously.
But who stayed until the end?
Oh, they were on.
Probably just her.
Ours is
No,
all-
Hunter.
She was desperate for that
Oh,
movie.
did Hunter cuddle with you?
No, he did not. Okay, wait, Lauren.
Yeah, that's where girls are so annoying.
Here, wait, bro.
Amen. Amen.
Lauren.
Why was Hunter doing
I
that?
think it's Jaden. You know,
Jaden
yeah, like
like
Jaden.
the job
Hunter,
too.
Lauren, and Jaden, and then I
Where
think
is
it's
Jaden?
Josie.
Who was there?
Josie.
tell him how to act?
She
Or
needs,
we
like,
just
Yeah.
sort of go
It's
there?
like a very general
The poor guy.
source.
I know, I feel bad. He's
Mr. Jordan.
I know he's.
For those graphics, like sign in the timeline, are you gonna have those, like the ones where it's like this one's zero, this one's one?
Oh, no, no.
No?
You're waiting.
We'll talk about it. You don't need it. All right. You don't need the 1, 0 the stuff.
Oh, it's not in this at
You
all?
do need to know like sign is positive, negative. Okay, I've written a lot down, but I haven't written any answers.
Because he was the one
How do we convert this?
Pi over 180.
Okay, what did it come out to? Nobody did it.
For which
Is it 5/4, 5 pi over 4?
Yeah.
Okay, negative 90, might have this one memorized, since you guys remember 90 degrees. Pi over 2. Negative 1/2 pi, I guess. Okay, how do we convert to degrees?
times something.
Times,
Oh, what? 3 pi over 2 over 180.
times pi over 180.
Oh.
Or, there's kind of a quick cheat on this. You can just replace the pi with 180 degrees.
That's close.
Yeah.
Or you can use the converter from number 2.
What? Yeah. Oh, it is. You wanna write it?
I wrote that on
You
his
go like this.
Oh, stop. You have to like not show that to
Wait, the
anyone.
weirdest
Because
part
I
of
promised I wouldn't show it to anyone.
Dating your Mr.
I know.
I didn't really show it.
What's
I didn't understand.
Yeah, like but I'm saying like for
I
future
know, I
reference,
was like,
like,
okay,
like,
thank you.
Act 3.
like we didn't promise, but it kind of
Well, he's only got
Wait,
he
can you
gets
just
like
go
a
up
couple
a little
years
bit?
of
Yeah, but like,
Like,
I still thought I went
Oh yeah, Eli, did you notice that you want to ride in my Reagan?
What?
Or you want to ride in my Reagan?
You wanna ride in my Reagan? You wanna ride in my Reagan?
Oh.
He sounds so gay.
Is that?
Oh, no.
He just got blessed with a terrible voice.
Too blessed is
I wonder if I'm.
Shh. Okay, how do we find coterminal angles?
Add 360.
Add or subtract 360. So there's more than one possible answer, but if you subtract 360 on this one, it's still positive. So 40 degrees could be one of them if you subtract the 360. The reason you might want to do that is because you have to subtract again to get a negative. So 40 minus another 360 is negative 320.
So 40 degrees would be positive?
Yeah, or you could do 400 plus 360. That's fine.
Yeah.
More than one possible answer. Negative 90 plus 360. Negative 90 minus 360.
Oh, minus a million.
Horrible,
Okay, and then what's different on C and D?
Did it make it with
Plus 2 pi minus 2 pi. 2 over 1 is 4 over 2. 4 over 2 plus 1 over 2 is 5 over 2. 5 pi. And if we subtract 2 pi, 1 over 2 minus 4 over 2 is negative 3 over 2. Alright. Same thing on this one. If we add 2 pi, this would be 8 over 4, so it would be 5 pi over 4. Minus 2 pi would be minus 8 over 4, minus 11. Alright. Are we good on those?
wait.
I listened to
I
So
couldn't have
nice.
done
What'd you do?
it.
Was it a riveting listen?
Well, it's like I can like multitask, like instead of like doing it all separately and taking turns.
I'm a very
and
positive,
doing it
I'm a
all.
very positive
I
person.
didn't do my side notes.
Oh, okay, wait.
I
So,
did, of course.
my
It's so
mom,
kind.
after she came home from the play on Friday, I was talking to her, and then in the middle of the conversation, she was
Bro,
like,
I swear you
Ah,
fold, you fold
and I'm like, what did you
wherever
say?
she's
She said,
That's what folds under
Jake
zero.
does those.
I kept doing the
There was a
same
time
thing.
where it's like,
She was like,
oh shoot,
And then
what
what's
was
it
it?
called?
It was
And
like,
then
like all
my
brand
mom,
thing,
like, she was like bullying
Like,
me. Like, she was like,
no, it's like,
like, she was like, I feel like
I was like
she
talking on one of her like crazy takes,
Nah,
and the
nah,
second you walk in the room, you
nah.
immediately agreed with it.
No, I did not. It was really awesome. The over thing.
But my mom was like,
All done
like,
things.
she was like,
They're cool.
Oh,
Oh,
my goodness.
Now you do.
Dude.
I was
Oh.
like,
Do you
you're
not
very
do that?
good. So
David,
she was
David
like,
just likes it.
I don't know, I guess.
Pre-Calc
Anyway,
Chapter.
what's my story?
Well, mine
They didn't
is
hear
not
that.
long.
Alright,
I think they care.
No, I don't.
Something about the lawn?
They're still on the
I will, I'll put these over here.
What's it mean?
This shit is being beat.
Tell me.
That's what to tell you what to do.
I just don't understand what it is, Gilbert, bro.
There was a lot of guys.
I
I guess
didn't
the
remember
what was his
that.
last name? It was like
Little
Q or
more.
something. Wait, that's true.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there was a bunch of like different.
Ew.
So there was like a big thing like dating.
I don't like,
Someone older than him. Like the teacher guy, he was dating someone older than him. But he was supposed to be the one.
Oh, yeah, that's so bad.
Who said that?
Puberty.
Her grandma.
I started her about my ballpark, and all of a
2
sudden she
years
goes,
away.
yo, your friend Issa?
Yo.
He's a sophomore.
Yo, maybe I'll marry your
Puberty
grandma.
usually hits at like 6 or 7.
Or he's supposed to be a junior though.
Maybe I will marry your
She doesn't
grandma.
want to
Puberty is.
Wait,
Bro,
does she have a good fortune?
No, I'm pretty sure it is.
Girl, no, she wrote this college.
I feel like looking at something like that. Like how he sounds?
Oh, my other parents.
You can get a job working as like one of those like do that like voices freaking out.
I feel bad. There's this one guy.
You and David?
The ball is like,
You'll be my dad throwing
he
his
drives a
TV on the
Camaro,
floor.
pretty jacked. Yo, Mr.
No,
J.
no, I was-
What's
I
the
was
ratings
almost
on
slapped.
Metro 7?
I was frustrated.
Your mom?
Is he like shorter?
She is.
So like I'll see your mom in
Yep.
public. Like
And
I
he's
saw
the-
her on
he's the
the
worship
we were
leader.
taking apart
He
the
is.
set.
His voice is amazing. It's really good.
But it's so
But then I'm actually
Alright, why don't you guys try these two, find the arc length sector here, we'll call this 7 minutes.
Okay.
I put the formulas on the board over there.
Are you gonna leave it there?
Do
Yeah,
we?
yes.
Thanks, Mr.
All you need, the only formulas you need are 1 and 2. Number 1 and 2.
Mr. Jordan, so on number 1, say you can't remember like the exact order of like the
Of
letters.
SOHCAHTOA,
No, the other ones.
the other ones. Then you'll get it wrong, but I'll fix it. So you can use
But do
them.
you, but like you know the function, you just don't know the name, like order. Like you miss.
Oh, yeah, you're on. Yeah,
So the test is gonna say like find arc length, right? Like they're gonna say the words, right?
Yep. It says, find the length of each arc, do not round.
Okay.
Find the area of each sector, do not round.
Okay.
Why'd you do that?
By the way, I tried to highlight this. We're doing the green arc, not the red arc.
Oh,
Right, you can tell that.
Hey, it's Christmas, nice.
winter art.
Yo.
Oh my gosh, my mom was
Christmas?
she put the wreath on the door.
Like, that's
and she
whenever,
was doing
like, I got
the
syntax error.
the
Like, bomb,
leaf
bomb.
stuff. And we brought the Christmas tree.
Yay.
He was a
And I don't know when I should put my little mini Christmas tree.
Always.
Now.
Wait, Eli, are you 18 yet?
No.
Are you old like Hope?
No.
I wait
She's
till
like,
after
she's
this.
ancient. She's like,
Yeah,
she's
I
like,
don't think so.
Like the day after the.
Oh, that's the
not
I know, but no, but I feel like if I do it this
I
way,
agree.
I'm not having enough time.
Oh, it's good. Just like my
I
The
feel-
shirts? Listen,
It's rainbow though.
Oh, yay.
dude.
that would go crazy.
Well, the problem is my mom said no, but my dad said yes. So my dad went to the Orion one and he bought the rainbow one.
Yeah, they most do that.
So if my
All right. Is this what you guys got?
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
Just saying that.
Yeah.
well, using your formula.
Where it should be.
Okay. Sector area. You do circle area times the fraction.
Where's Shelby?
This is.
11. Oh, this is a large one.
Hey, look. Hey, one of all has ever had this ever.
You're so special.
Oh, like that's a huge one. 275 over there. Huge president exchange.
I don't think I'm gonna go to the earth thing first, even though I.
Still literally there.
They unwrapped it and they blew it out.
Well, the problem is, if I go to the art thing, that means that saves
There
me
was
the
also
arrow
the
thing.
other one.
And then I have to do it the day that I'm actually studying. studying.
No,
The rough draft is too rough.
but she said it would be rough.
That's true, but I'm not gonna.
I was so excited.
I think like when they still be 2.5.
I'm scared, like she's not gonna like what I do with it, and then I'm gonna like she's gonna give me bad feedback.
The Sphinx mode or whatever.
Mine is already at 89.
I haven't seen it.
Mine is stuck at 89.
I don't have to check, but I also have to do that.
All these points that she just put in. So in the other movies,
Skylar forgot to turn in the outline, so she's at like a 80s, and she got a 0.
Okay, well, I got a T.
Oh, from the two things.
Oh,
let's
that's
just use C. Wait a second.
What was wrong with
Oh,
So my mom got 90 when I told her. She got 90. So I did the video test first, right? And I was in space.
Negative
oh, is there someone that's like 1
Negative
0?
constant
Negative
channel.
Negative 1.
And then on one thing, you know, I have to have an A and an E. Well, I asked her, this is right now, I was like, yeah, like, is it good? It's not an A. And she's like, yeah, it's fine.
I did that.
And then she counted off for it. I was like, you told me it was fine. She's like, well, it's okay. Misunderstood. I'm not something. Yeah. You can't watch that. And that's
Yeah,
all
I
that
have it.
stupid stuff. I don't know.
Mr. Totino does that. He like gave us 2 wrong answers for the test, and then we tell him, hey, you told us this wrong. He's like, oh,
Well, that's the problem.
I'm just like, I don't know. We don't want to work.
yeah.
Is this the one
Oh, yeah, this is what the-
Okay. Positive, negative, or 0. So cosine of pi. The directions do say don't use a calculator. Do I care? Probably not.
Yeah.
We kind of do need to know this eventually. Where is sine positive at?
Up.
Up. Where is cosine positive at?
Right.
To the right. Where is tangent positive at?
Sorry.
1 and 3. Okay, you kind of do need to know that for later on. I don't think I'm going to bother on this one. Cosine of pi is over here, or pi is over here, so cosine of pi is going to be negative. It's exactly -1, but they didn't ask that, so it's negative. Where is 3/4 pi? Where is that at? Okay, this is pi, so 3/4 of it would be like right here. So sine is positive right there. Shh. Sine of 120, I probably should have switched this up. Where's 120 at? Also right here. Girls are quiet. Cosine of -60, where's -60?
There. Right there.
Okay, it's going down 60. This is -90, right? So cosine -60 is here, so that would be. Alright.
Those who
Still water.
wait, we're ready, kid.
What's in mine?
Yo, oh. What do you think of All Go?
No.
What do you get there?
Oh, what do you think of Soho?
This has been on Willow's face.
I like orange. There's no reason.
Of course. Of course. Just kidding.
What is that?
I'm just kidding.
No, it's not.
Soho is good.
Terms of
I have it in my fridge.
I like the rice and
I should have made
This.
Why did I not eat it?
Wait, oh, is your refrigerator running? No.
You're not.
Is it running?
You should go catch Obi.
Wouldn't your
You should go catch it.
Yeah, I need to watch myself.
what?
I need to watch myself.
Okay, no,
Anyone?
I handed
Katie,
my
Melody?
poster to my stepdad to put in the garden
Katie,
in the
Melody?
car, and then I was like, oh, look at
Can I take your
that,
box,
look
please?
to me, and I was reading some
Forcing the cook.
and he was like, oh, is she doing her okay? Back, all over the back of your body, and I was like,
I'm
no,
done with
that was
this.
not
He was literally holding hands.
Listening to Apex.
What's his
And
name?
you call
Fingers
fingers
were
Wait,
literally
What's Mrs. Name last name?
Anyone?
Anyone vaccinated in their sleep?
Anyone JV's their account?
anyone losing their track?
Look at my Mac. Look at your Mac. Job for taking a Mac.
He's like 4. I know.
It's so boring. She's like obsessed with it.
That's gotta be a
Like she's like,
I
I love you, Mr. Mom.
I'm not. That's so.
What are you tuning in your business?
no, like,
Is this all calculator stuff?
I think Carter has a girlfriend, so.
No, not a.
Oh,
Okay,
I see.
girls, you remember what a reference angle was?
No.
It's like how close it is to.
Yeah, use the angle that tells you how far it is from the x-axis. And also you need to say whether it's positive or negative. So sine of 134. 134 would be in the second quadrant. The reference angle is how far is it from, in this case, 180. If it's in the fourth quadrant or first quadrant, it's how far is it from like 360 or 0 or whatever. This is 0 and 360. It's probably how far is it from 360. But in this case, since it's 134, how far is it from 180? 46. So this would equal sine of 46, but you need to make sure is sine positive or negative in the second quadrant. Positive, so just leave it like that. Cosine would be the same thing, except for is cosine positive or negative? It's negative. Okay, how could we check these answers? If you plug this in and you plug this in, it should be the exact same thing. You guys got it? That's what they're saying. The reference angle just is basically the same as these angles, just in a different quadrant. That's what they're saying. So if this plugs in and this plugs in and they're exact same, you know you did it right. Same thing up here. Okay. 11 is a calculator question. The only reason I almost skipped it, but the only reason I put it up here is because of B. What's different about B?
It's radians.
It's radians. How can we tell?
It's radians.
No degrees. So that means you need to change your calculator to radians when you do B. Or make sure it's in degrees when you do A also. Might be in radians from the last time you did a.
I need to trim down this thing so it passes because it doesn't close.
Okay, let's do more reference angles.
Yeah.
Cane for Chick-fil-A.
Who wrote fart on my paper?
Mr. Jordan.
He would have been the biggest.
I think Chick-fil-A's got it. It's close.
What's your favorite Christmas?
Like which one did you go to?
Yeah. If
I
you
don't
were
know.
to choosing, if you had to choose which one had better chicken.
Little normal.
What are your opinions on pentatonics?
Is that the
decent, good.
Do you like the gay guy?
What?
Would.
But if you scroll up, I didn't write the name. Please.
Right terms.
You have to find out.
The white one or the black one?
Skibbity.
You know,
The chicken bake? Wait.
Stop.
Chicken bake.
Ryan, you what?
Costco guy?
Everything.
What are we talking about?
I don't know.
Change my mind. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I can't tell you how much I hate that video guy.
You always do.
This bad.
But sometimes you know you have to embrace what you hate. You make it better. I hate cherries.
I lost my America. Pen, I mean.
Okay, D is a popular one to miss. That's the big one. Okay, how do I find the reference angle for 800 degrees?
God, put it through the circle 3 times.
Yeah, we need to take off a couple 360s. Because it's wrapping around, it's looping a couple times. So if we unwind it a couple 360s or 720, it's just gonna give you 80 degrees.
80 degrees.
Is tangent, and that's a first quadrant angle, so it's already like its own reference angle. But is tangent positive or negative in the first quadrant? Positive. Again, just like number 10, you could check, does tangent of 800 equal tangent of 80? Okay, secant, or which quadrant is 280 in?
That is in after the 270.
It's in the fourth. So it's closer to 360 than it is to 180. So you would do 360 minus 280, and it happens to be 80 again. Is secant positive or negative in the fourth quadrant? So secant, remember, is based off of cosine. So is cosine positive or negative in the fourth quadrant? Okay, again, you could check this on your calculator, but how do we plug in secant on our calculator? 1 over cosine. So if 1 over cosine of 280 is the same thing as 1 over cosine of 80, you know you got it right. But basically all we did is subtracted 360 minus 280. Because it's basically how far is it from the x-axis? The answer is 80 degrees. Okay. 195, where is 195 at?
Right.
Yeah, third quadrant, makes it a little past 180. So the reference angle is how far past 180? 15. Is cotangent positive or negative in the third quadrant? It's the same as tangent, so it's positive. Probably on the test, one of these will be negative. I don't really know, but chances are, you know, the book likes to mix it up. All right, cosecant. What's different about D? This is the one people miss. It's in radians. Oh no, what are radians on this circle?
6.2.
Kind of. Okay, this is pi radians, which is also what? 3.14. So yeah, you kind of need to know this. If this is 3.14, what's this?
6.28.
Double that, yes. This times 2. How would I find this one?
2.
Half of 3.4.
Half of this. Which is 1.57. How would I find this one?
Half plus 2.4.
Well, it's like 1.5, so it's like this plus this. So it's 4.71. So this is 3.14. This is that times 2. This is that divided by 2.
This is standing with
And these two added together make this one. Or you could do 1.5 times this, I guess, to get that. Okay, anyway, what quadrant is 5 in? So we're past this, so it's somewhere over here. How far, what's the reference angle? You do that one.
8.
1.28 is cosecant is based off of sine. Is sine positive or negative?
Negative.
Down there is negative. Okay, so that little table thing, even though I didn't add, you do need to know this. But also you can kind of check this on your calculator. You'd have to change your calculator to radians, but is this equal to that? Is that equal to that? That's what we're going for.
They're making a Kai snap meal?
Okay.
McRizzy? McRizzy?
It's really gone, honestly though.
I would buy that.
Okay, you need to, I kind of already said this, you need to know that cosecant is 1 over sine, secant is 1 over cosine, and cotangent is 1 over tangent. To plug it in your calculator correctly. There is a lot of calculator problems on this test, so this might be a little bit easier, some of these. This really wasn't a calculator problem, though.
How many questions are there?
So I'm kind of skipping some of the calculator questions, is what I'm telling you.
How many questions?
There's a lot. A lot of
So
little.
a lot of points, right?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
That's right.
There's 38 questions.
That kid is crying. That kid is in tears.
Really?
There's a kid up there.
You ever seen what's it, stuck in the one?
Malcolm and Liberty.
You know what I'm talking about? No. No, you need to see it.
Do you know that one show, Jesse, with the kimono guy? You know the fat bald guy, the butler. I feel like one of our janitors at school looks like that guy.
The butler?
Yeah. I don't know, he comes in here, it's not him, it's like a guy. He comes in here looks like the guy here, he looks like the butler. Hey, Jesse.
I